Initially, after taking the SAT and ACT, I chose to take the ACT. My initial math score was like an 18 or 19 between the tutoring sessions when I was doing practice tests or problems, and I had trouble like finishing a problem or remembering what he had told me to do. I just went back onto the computer, and since all the sessions were like live recorded and saved, I just like went back and looked over the whole like video of us going over other problems, and it really jogged my memory to remember what I had to do. I initially like wanted either like a 29 or at least a 30, and I got a 31. So I was like, okay,
I'm good.
I'm good. It works. Yeah.
Well worth the money. I'm still shocked at the jump. It's
Ryan was
crazy.
shocked too. He's like, I've never.
Yeah, it was insane. It was crazy. It was crazy. It was great.
Yeah.